Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mercedes and today I have a different video for you guys. I'm doing a giveaway for reaching 100 subscribers. I finally reached over 100 subscribers on my YouTube channel, and first and foremost I just want to say thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel and watching my videos. I know that I am super inconsistent with putting out videos, but I promise you that one of my goals before the year 2019 is over is to be more consistent with my YouTube channel. I am really gonna try to put more content out there for you guys. I am a very busy person. YouTube is my hobby. I actually work full-time. I have 2 jobs, and yeah, so I'm not on YouTube to make money, so it's hard for me to juggle making videos and actually working and having a personal life. So I'm trying to be more consistent with putting out videos for you guys because I love making YouTube videos. I love watching YouTube videos, and this is something that I just like to do for fun. And I'm glad that you guys like to watch my videos as well. So in order to celebrate getting to 100 subscribers, I do have some prizes for you guys. I went to one of my favorite stores, which is Ulta, and I picked up a few goodies for you guys. So I'm going to show you what I got. So because I focus on hair for most of my videos, I thought it would be a good idea to give you guys some of my favorite hair products, some of the things that I use on a regular basis and that works really well for me, and hopefully they will work well for you guys. So the first thing that I have is this Manuka honey and yogurt Hydrate and Repair Multi-Action Leave-In Conditioner. Now, this is from the brand Shea Moisture. First and foremost, I love this because it smells so good. Like, you will fall in love with the smell, and it works really good. It definitely helps to make sure that your hair feels moisturized and soft. So yes, this is a major key. The second product I have is also from Shea Moisture, and this is their Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment. So this is what this looks like. I've used this on my hair before. I probably use this about 2 to 3 times to give myself a protein treatment. This stuff is awesome. It smells really good as well, and it definitely made my hair feel really good. So hopefully it will work for whoever wins this giveaway. I also have one of my favorites, this TRESemme heat protectant. This is actually the Keratin Smooth heat protectant. I love using TRESemme heat protectants. I've always used TRESemme for my heat protector whenever I blow dry or flat iron my hair. So this is definitely something that I stand by because I've always used it. I started using the Keratin Smooth one when this one came out. So yes, whoever gets this, definitely use this, girl or guy. And then the last hair product that I have is this Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum. I love this for when I straighten my hair. All you need to do is use a little bit of it and put it on your hair. You can either put it on before you blow dry or straighten, or after you straighten your hair. It makes your hair to feel really silky and smooth, and it also adds shine without being too heavy, so it doesn't weigh the hair down, which is perfect for when you are flat ironing your hair. And then the last thing that I have for you guys are not hair related, but these are face masks from TonyMoly. This is the Purifying I Am Cactus Mask Sheet, and then the Refreshing I Am Orange Mask Sheet. And I have personally used both of these, and I love the way that they make my skin feel. I have acne prone skin, so I definitely need to use different face products every so often just to switch up my routine, and I love these. I love the way that they make my face feel after using them. So these are all of the products that I will be giving away in this giveaway for reaching 100 subscribers. It is very easy to enter this giveaway. There will only be one winner, but I will definitely be doing more giveaways as my channel continues to grow. So don't worry, there'll be more prizes for you guys to win in the near future. The only thing that you need to do to enter this giveaway is to, of course, be subscribed to my channel. I need you to give this video a thumbs up. I also need you to leave a comment in the comment section with your IG name as well as a statement saying enter me. And so that grants you entry into the giveaway. I will leave this giveaway open for the next week. So basically a week from today, I will randomly select the individual who will win this giveaway. At that point in time, I will DM you a message to your Instagram stating that you have won the giveaway. You will have 48 hours to respond to me, giving me all of your mailing information so that I can mail you all of these goodies that I just showed. So again, very simple to enter this giveaway. I will leave the directions as well in the description box below. And lastly, I just want to say thank you again for helping me to reach 100 subscribers here on YouTube. I know that might not sound like a lot to some of you guys, but as somebody who has been on YouTube for a while and been struggling to put out videos, this is definitely a motivator for me just to know that you guys enjoy watching my videos and enjoyed it enough to subscribe to my channel. So I promise to do better with getting out more videos and getting you guys content that you want to see. Leave comments on my videos. Give me suggestions for more videos. I love to hear your suggestions so I can know what content you guys would like to see. So that's all I have for this video. If you are interested in winning the products that I've just shown, please check the description box for information about how to enter this giveaway. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.